Morph Features Introduction. ZW3D has flexible morph features. In this video, you will learn some useful morph applications. There are 4 different types: morph with point, morph with curve, morph by offset, and morph curve to curve. Let's see these applications one by one. This is a spoon model. Use the first type, morph shape with point. Select the whole shape work as the morphed geometry. Pick the point, define the direction, and set the morph value. Using the preview, adjust the influence value to get a suitable shape. Change the distance value again. This is the morph result. Do it again. Pick the geometry, point, set the distance. Based on the real-time preview, roll the wheel to change the influence. It's very convenient to control the morphing. Now, this shape has turned out very well. This is a rough petal model. Use the morph feature to make it look more beautiful. Morph this shape with 2 outside edges along the Z direction. Set the distance to 7 millimeters. Adjust the influence and it looks better. Next, make a pattern operation. Circle pattern, pick the Z-axis, number 5, get the petal shape. Now, this is the final model, a beautiful flower. Third type is morph shape by offset. This kind of vase is a typical case. Set these parameters. Pick the shape and outside edge of the top face. Offset -4. Direction Z-axis. With the preview, we can visually adjust the advanced settings. Click OK to finish. Do it again. Pick the shape and outside edge of the bottom face. Define offset value and direction. Adjust other parameters. Click OK to finish. Fourth one is morph shape curve to curve. It is a very nice tool. This is a car rear view mirror. Pick the command. Select the whole shape as the morphed geometry. Pick the reference curve and target curve. Keep the same direction. This result model looks cool. The surface is smooth. Let's see one more case. This is a straight stairs model. Try morph shape curve to curve. Pick the stair model. Reference curve is line. Target curve is circle. Next, set influence value to 400. Adjust other parameters. This is the desired shape. Easily, we got the spiral stairs from the line stairs. More features can be very nice.